Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the cheapest fares in the Asky application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Cheapest Fares button. And as you can see from Loam, these 6 destinations are available. So if you're interested in anyone, just click on that. And as you can see, here are that in January. These are the available fares. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.